Hello YouTubers, welcome to TechNerd. In this video I will be showing you how to download a YouTube video into your PC or your laptop without using any third-party applications or software. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open the YouTube and copy the link of the video that you wanted to download. I'm randomly selecting a small video, this one. Right click the video and copy the link address. Now open a new tab and paste the link. Then after the first dot, you need to type in two S's like this. So it comes www.ssyoutube.com and just click enter. This will open a new site and you can download your video from this site. You don't need to press any button, the video will show up right here. You can select the video quality from here, 720p, 360p, web, then 3GP. I am just going with 720p and click on download. You can select any name as you wish. I am just going with the real name itself. Click on save and your video will start download. Since it is a small size, the video is downloaded very fast. Now let's go check in the folder. This is the video. I am moving it in the desktop. It actually is in the desktop. Let's go check it. This is the video that I have downloaded, 6 signs.
You see, this channel, whether you're 18 to 40 boys or you that your housing application is informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our...
So this is how you can download a YouTube video from YouTube into a computer without using any third party or software. If you like my video, you can drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.